Okay, Jackie, we see you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Jackie Aina and Too Faced collaboration. Jackie came out with 6 different shades to add to their color range, just to give us, melanin girls some more options to use. So I'm so excited to be using her foundation that she collaborated with. Jackie is one of my absolute favorites YouTubers ever. She's actually one of the first YouTubers I've ever watched and got me really into makeup, so I am so excited to be reviewing that collection today. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. So I couldn't afford to get all of the shades, so I went to Sephora and got a few shades that were kind of close to what I would use. So one of the ones that I got is Butter Pecan, I got Maple, I got Chestnut. I was told I am Chestnut, so we'll see. And then I want to try out Jackie's shade, and that's Chai. So I'm really excited to see which one I am. So let's see. So let's start with Butter Pecan. This is Butter Pecan here. So I'm gonna swatch it actually like Jackie does, and swatch it on my chest here because my neck is like a little bit darker than my face. So I like to match my face to my chest, but just like maybe a couple of shades darker, just so we can kind of somewhat match with my neck. So that's what I do. So this is Butter Pecan, and I'm gonna swatch that right here. It's a lot. Swatch it here. That is way too late. So that is not my shade. Okay. It's not my shade. This is Chestnut. So I've used Chestnut before, or I got matched for it. So we'll see if there's another shade that I should be using. Let's see here. And this is Chestnut. Ooh, let me make this a little lower so y'all can see. This is Chestnut right here. Let me just make sure I'm putting these back on the right bag so I'm not mixing up what I'm talking about. And this is Maple. I think this is gonna be too light too. I don't know. I should have got like shades of every single one, but I was trying not to be like too greedy because I wanted to try it out first and then go back and buy the full bottle. So, and this was Maple. Let's see here. Maple is kind of close. That's my chest shade, I think. My hands are so dirty. Excuse my messy bed. Sorry. And this is Chai, so this is Jackie's color. So let's see if I should use that one. Ooh, it's kind of spilling over. This is Chai, and I'm gonna put Chai here. I mean, Maple is probably my color, but I want to go at least like a shade darker just so it kind of matches my skin. Sorry. This is my color, but I think I'm going to use Chestnut because that's a little darker. Or I could do Chai. I don't know. Let me do it on my face too to see. So this is Chai on my face. Let's see if that works. And then let me put, we said Maple? No, Chestnut. Chestnut. I'm getting so confused. Okay, that's Butternut. Let's put Chestnut on my face to see. Maybe I am Chai. Because Chai looks better on my face, and then Chestnut looks a little light. Let me do Maple too. Let me see. I don't know. I have no freaking idea. What should I use? I think maybe let's do Chai. Or what if I mix Chai and Chestnut together? Because I don't know. I don't know which one to use. Like, I mean, I have no idea. Let's just do. Let me do Chai and let's see how Chai looks. I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back, and I also put some earrings on because I don't know, I just feel like really weird if I don't have on. I feel really weird if I don't have on any like jewelry, like any earrings or necklace. I have to have on something. So we're gonna go ahead and do the routine. I'm gonna go ahead and just use Chai as my color for today, and hopefully that goes well. I'm gonna start off with my favorite primer. That is the Too Faced Primed and Poreless primer, and use that. I absolutely love this primer, and I never really have used Too Faced before until this year. I really like it. I like their stuff. I mean, I know they weren't known for having like the best shade range, and I'm so glad that Jackie collaborated with them and got us all some good shades so we can all be just slaying with this makeup. So I'm very excited about that, and I love her. Like, I think she's such a great YouTuber. So nails, like, I just got my nails done like literally like 4 days ago, and I've already had 3 nails pop off. Like, I am so mad about that, but let's do the video. Let's see, we're gonna go ahead with Chai, and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face like I would normally do. Brush, I'm just gonna use my setting spray and just blend. Wow, I think this is actually, I don't know. It's not gonna match my neck because my neck is darker, but I feel like it matches my chest kinda. Yeah, it matches my shoulder, like, perfect. Just gonna dab a little more on here. And it doesn't feel like too thick or anything. Like, I really like that. I live in Texas and it's like freaking hot. It's in the hundreds of degrees. So I don't like feeling like I have on like a lot of makeup. And this feels very light, so I really like that. I feel like this is like the perfect match for me, but I do want it like a little bit darker just to kind of somewhat coordinate with my neck. Because this is my chest shade, like this is my shade for my face, but I just want it a little bit darker. So I wonder if I add a little bit of chestnut, would that darken it up a little bit? So I'm gonna put a little of chestnut in there just to see if it'll put some kind of warmth because of my neck. Great. I love this formula. Like, it just feels so light and it feels like skin. Like, wow, I like it. Yeah, like this is the perfect shade for my, you know, this is my shade. Wow. Okay. I like it. It looks really pretty and really fresh. I'm excited. Oh my god. I feel like it's kind of oxidizing a little bit because it's been like 5 minutes since I put on the foundation. I had to go do some things, and it's kind of oxidizing, I think, a little bit because it's kind of darkening, I feel like. So for corrector, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. These are my favorite. The shade C13, just to kind of do a little more correcting under my eye. This is actually my shade of my skin as well. Oh, I like how, see how they're kind of the same color? Yes. I have some darkness around my mouth, so I want to conceal that as well. Over here. I'm just going like blending perfectly with my concealer, so this is gonna be my new foundation. I really like this foundation. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This looks really good. Jackie did the damn thing with this color. This color is like great, and I watch a lot of YouTubers and they're all using Chai, so this is like perfect. And then the shade C12 and that same concealer I'm going to use to do the brightening under my eye. I'm going to use this T11 shade just to do a little smidget darker, lighter as well. It's just going really perfect with this foundation. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is really good.
That's good.
Like, I'm not like just like saying this to say it, but this is like the prettiest that my foundation base has ever looked. Like, dude, I use the same products for every time I do my makeup, and this is like the prettiest it's like ever looked. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm looking in my camera, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, wow, this looks really, really good. Like, wow, wow, whoa, like, this is like, wow, I'm obsessed. Wow. And I honestly never had an issue with finding my right shade, because I always just used to go to Sephora when I first started wearing makeup, just go to Sephora to get matched. So I never had that struggle of not finding my right shade. But like, I don't know, like, something about this foundation is like really, I don't know, I just look so glowy and like so fresh, and that's what I want for my makeup. And I like, wow, like, I'm obsessed. Like, I love this color. It looks so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. I'm about to go to Sephora right now and buy the full bottle of chai, because like, out of all the foundation I have, like, I wear, you know, NARS, Makeup Forever, Fenty, Maybelline. Like, this is my favorite application of makeup that I've had in a while. So I'm really I don't know, I can't even speak right now because I'm so excited. Wow, oh my gosh, I love this shade. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with one of my favorite bronzers. This is by Black Radiance, and this is their finishing powder in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm just like, wow, I'm a little shook. I'm shook. Okay, Jackie, we see you. Like, this is, wow, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back with my final look and final thoughts. If you couldn't tell, I'm already excited. So I'll be right back to break out my lily lashes for this look. So, oh my gosh, so I am obsessed with this foundation. If you could not tell from when I was doing it, like, I am so shook at how much I like this foundation. It's so good. Oh my god, it gives me exactly what I'm looking for when I do my makeup, looking like fresh and just hydrated and moisture. Like, I am obsessed. So yeah, so you know I'm obsessed. I am so excited that I got to review this foundation, and Jackie, congratulations, you did the damn thing. I love it. So yeah, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am so excited. I love this foundation. I haven't been this happy about foundation in a really long time, so I am so excited I got to try it. I'm gonna go out and buy this right now, the full bottle. I am so happy with my look. It gives me exactly what I'm looking for when I do my makeup, and that's just looking young, fresh, and hydrated, and just slaying. So I love it. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you liked it, and just let me know what you want to see down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and y'all have a good day.